So got me and John out here today. This is my first trip since the major snowstorm we had. I'm going to show you a quick clip of my boats at the house. I keep this kayak in a shed, but man, we got a bunch of snow. Hopefully there wasn't a fish kill. We're going to see how it goes today. Hopefully we'll get some bites and all. I've been dreading it. There might have been a major fish kill during this snowstorm. I still can't believe this weather all on my boats. Man, definitely have to charge the batteries after this one. Well, this might be my first sign of a fish kill, but you don't know if that was from a fish kill or a foul hooked fish. That's a big speck. That's a shame. Here's another big speck. Boy, this don't look good for the home team. We'll spend about an hour fishing underneath the lights at the pier and in the pond and all. No bites at all. I saw another dead speck on my way out here, so that's 3 dead specks. Hopefully the fish kill wasn't bad. We'll go back in this dead-end canal in a little while and see. Man, that is a big redfish there. Oh Lord. It's in my worst fears is that there might have been a fish kill, and it's looking more like there was. Finally got my first bite. The way it's spinning, it feels like a little red. Might even be a keeper. They got to be 18 inches now. Oh, he was a keeper and he got off right at the edge. Man. Man. Lost my first bite of the day. They got a small fish dead floating in the water there. They got a dead one on the bank right here. And they got another dead one on the bank right up there. So my worst fears have come true. There was a fish kill. But I still hooked a redfish, so hopefully I can land a couple fish today. Got my second bite. I think there's a bunch of reds back up in here. I wonder if I ought to get the net out. This will be a keeper if I can get him in the boat. Maybe. Let's see what we got here. Come on. I'll take a bunch of redfish. I hadn't caught any in a while. Any good ones, I should say. Ouch. Don't do that. Bit my fingers. Spun. Get a measure on him. I'm sure he's 18, but got to be official. Well, he's over 20. About ready to lose him. Whew-wee. 20-inch redfish in the box. Got a dead sheep's head in the water right here. Man, that's a shame. Got here another sheep's head. Man, Just past a redfish over there. So there's quite a large amount of fish killed. Right here, another big redfish. Oh man, that's a shame. All them fish went to waste. It looks like a big black drum, huh? Yep. See what this one is. Might have been a redfish. It's hard to tell when they're decaying. This one's got red fins. I think it's going to be a redfish. Oh man. I just keep thinking of all this meat that went to waste. That's two big reds. They might be over 27 inches. Couldn't keep them anyway. Another sheep's head right there. Still spooking up big wakes though, so there's still some live fish. Got a bunch of dead fish in this little pocket right here. Boy, that was some nice sized specks too. Still in denial, but I guess I gotta face reality. Well, me and John made a fishing trip out of Port Sulphur, and my worst fears have been confirmed. There was a massive fish kill, dead fish floating everywhere. I didn't get a single speck bite today. I ended up catching one redfish, and I had another one on that got off right by the boat, but 2 bites for about 5 hours of fishing is terrible. It's like that though. I'm going to give it about 2 weeks to lay back down before I get out here again. So till the next video, get out there and go fishing.